Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in algebra or in analytic geometry, particularly on the topic, the circle. I hope that through this video, your knowledge on circles will be enhanced and developed. And I hope that you little by little improve and you become excellent in engineering that you are choosing in. So there are three exercises in this video, and here is the first problem. Find the equation of the circle and written in general form. A, tangent to the coordinate axis in the second quadrant with radius of 4 units. And B, with opposite ends of diameter at -3, 4 and 1, -2. And C, with center at 3, -2 and through 1, 4. So let's focus to the first problem. So we draw a circle tangent to the coordinate axis in the second quadrant and then analyze that the center is at -4, 4 because the radius is 4 and the coordinates of the point in the second quadrant would be x is negative and y is positive. So -4, 4 because the radius is 4 and the circle is tangent to the coordinate axis. So that's -4 and that is +4. So the standard form of equation of a circle is x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equals radius square, where h is -4. So x minus -4, it becomes x plus 4 quantity square. Then y quantity y minus k is 4, so y minus 4 quantity square equals r square, 4 square. So x plus 4 square plus quantity y minus 4 quantity square equals 4 square. Expanding, this is x square plus 8x plus 16, then plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals 4 square, and 4 square is also 16. So if we cancel out 16, the circle can now be determined. It is x square plus y square plus 8x minus 8y plus 16 equals 0. So that's the equation of this circle. X square plus y square plus 8x minus 8y plus 16 equals 0. So we put the equation and this is the sketch of the circle. We proceed to the second problem with opposite ends at -3, 4 in the second quadrant and 1, -2 in the fourth quadrant. So 1, 2 in the -2 in the fourth quadrant. So again, we first locate the center. Call the center as h, k. So the other point is 1, 2. Sorry, in the first quadrant. So this is the circle through these 2 points and the center is at h, k. So remember midpoint formula, it is just the average of the coordinates. So h is 1/2 of -3 plus 1. That's the radius. H is negative or 1/2 of quantity -3 plus 1, -3 plus 1, so it's -1. And k is 1/2 of quantity 4 plus 2, so it is +3. Then the standard equation, substitute into the standard equation. By the way, radius square by Pythagoras theorem is 1 minus -1 quantity square. So 1 plus 1 quantity square plus k3 minus 2 quantity square. So it may also be 2 minus k quantity square. So it is 2 square plus 1 square, so it is 5. R square is 5. We then substitute it into the standard form of equation of a circle, x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square equals r square. So x plus 1 quantity square, that's the center, x plus 1 quantity square plus quantity y minus 3 square equals 5, where 5 is r square. Expanding, this is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals 5. Then, simplifying, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y. 1 plus 9 is 10 minus 5 is 5. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. So that's the equation of the circle. And let's put it here. X square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. Then finally, for the third circle, center at 3, negative 2 and through 1, 4. This is almost similar to the second problem. So the center is already known. All you have to do is evaluate r square, which is the by Pythagoras theorem, the square of the distance between this center and this point. So h comma k, that's the center, 3, negative 2, and it passes through 1, 4, which is here. And let's just draw partially the circle because we ran out of space, and the radius is simply the distance between these 2 points. So substitute into the standard form. By the way, r square is 3 minus 1 quantity square, then plus 4 minus negative 2 quantity square. So that's r square. So 3 minus 1 quantity square plus quantity 4 minus negative 2, so 4 plus 2 quantity square. This is 4 and this is 36, so 40. R square is 40. We then substitute into the standard form of equation of the circle, x minus 8 square, so x minus 3 quantity square plus y minus negative 2, so y plus 2 quantity square equals r square 40. Expanding, x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 equals 40. So 9 minus 4, 13 minus y, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 40, negative 27. So the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 equals 0. So that's the equation of this circle, and we put the equation as x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 equals 0. So this is the circle partially. And that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the solutions and the explanations.